Hello, I'm Bob Jones. I'm with Sensors Unlimited, which is a division of United Technologies Aerospace Systems. Today I want to talk about two of our exciting new shortwave infrared cameras. The first is our 1280 JSX mini SWIR camera. This is the camera, very small camera. It's a high definition shortwave infrared camera. So high definition means it's a 1280 by 1024 pixel format. The camera offers a lot of application in both military as well as industrial applications. Because, an example, on the military side of things, one type of application the camera might be used for is long-range surveillance. Because the camera is shortwave infrared, it can image through haze and smoke, which allows for long distance or long-range imaging. Because it is a low noise imager offering about 35 electrons or less of noise, the camera is able to image in low light environments, passively or with some illumination, as well as the camera being having wide dynamic range. It's able to image in some of the more challenging scenes. As an example, if you're in a low light environment, maybe an urban environment where you have dark areas as well as very bright lights, this camera is able to provide very useful imagery to our customers. So that is our new 1280 JSX camera, a mill rugged camera. Also in the industrial side of things, camera, because of its HD resolution format, works very well for microscope applications where you might need to image through silicon. The camera, because again, it's SWIR, it's able to image through silicon, do circuit inspection, alignment, those types of things. So this is a camera that has application in industrial and military applications, and we're very proud of it. So the second camera I'd like to talk about is our 640 CSX micro SWIR camera. This is 640 by 512 pixel format, which is a VGA format. The camera is incredibly small, so our main focus on this camera was low size, weight, and power. It's also a low noise imager. It as well has industrial application as well as military use or military application potential. On the industrial side, this would be useful for any area in the factory where you need a very small camera, you have small space. Because it's low power, could be used as in situations where you may need a portable imager solution, maybe if you need to do factory inspection and walk around to different areas. On the military side, again, because of the low noise, this camera is useful for low light imaging applications. Because of the low size, weight, and power, would also be good in applications where you might need a portable shortwave infrared imager. And so any ground type applications or things like that where power is going to be a concern and you really want to minimize power so you have longer battery life. This camera also has very wide dynamic range, which makes it useful for those challenging lighting situations similar to the 1280 that we just talked about. So if you're in an urban imaging environment where you have very dark areas as well as very bright sources, this camera is going to be able to handle them. So this is our new 640 CSX camera. Again, VGA resolution, small swap, size, weight, and power, very low noise, and very wide dynamic range. So another camera that we're excited to tell people about here at the SPIE show.